We've made it back to our Airbnb, so I am out on our deck. We have a little lake, if you can see it. It's a very small spring-fed lake. I've got my cup of tea, and I've also got my sketchbook, and of course my toolkit, pencils, markers, watercolors, etc. And I'm going to sketch one of the watercolors one of the waterfalls, not watercolors. One of the waterfalls that we hiked to today, so I'm going to do that and you guys can watch along. I've also got a cool new art supply that I'm going to be testing out and I want to show it to you. So Art Toolkit just recently sent me one of their pocket palettes that's really cute. I put my sea turtle sticker on it because it fit just so perfectly and it's just adorable. So I'm going to be trying out their pocket palette. It just opens up. And I made a mistake because I packed this last night and then I closed it up and went on a 7-hour road trip. So it's also in the hot car. And apparently my paint pans weren't dry, guys, so don't do this. This was my bad. The palette itself is adorable, and if you had let your paints dry before closing it up and going on a road trip, it wouldn't be so sticky. So yeah, don't make my mistake. But it does come with all these tiny little empty metal tins that you can then squirt your watercolors into. And in my zippered tote bag, I've also, of course, got my Tombow mono drawing pencils, mono drawing pens, these are my favorite drawing pens, a water brush, and normal paint brushes too. This is the waterfall that we hiked to today, White Waterfalls. Okay, I think it's done. I think. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. And this was Whitewater Falls in North Carolina, really close to Gorgeous State Park, which we also went hiking at today. So I like this little sketch. I really like this little pocket palette. I did end up cleaning it off after I accidentally got paint all over it, so it actually works really well. I love the little mixing spot, and my favorite part is just that it's so tiny because then it fits in my pencil bag, so it's super easy to transport, whereas my other watercolor palette is like this big. Lots of colors, but hard to transport.